To whom much is given, much is required. So here we are. Today is Monday, May 22nd, 2023, also known as day 91 of the $100 account challenge. Here is my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet who trades stocks. So do your own due diligence. I am just merely chronicalizing my trades, making a blueprint, digital blueprint, so I can go look back at later in the year and see I'm doing right and wrong. Now again, my video is of my $100 account challenge, but in the background, I'm on a whole different computer trading other accounts and calling out plays as well. So I'm multitasking. So you're only going to see most of my trades, of course, from my small account right here, $100 account challenge. And I'm going to post the other trades in the group, whatever it may be. So here we are. So recap from Friday. So Friday, May 19th, I think I traded SDA, which happened to be still sitting here on my screen. So this morning it was up to 950, popped all the way back to 675. I don't know why I did that, but here is the news right here. SDA dropped 19% from market trading. That's not it. Right here maybe. Trading. Here we go. SEQL recently posted wider first quarter loss. So I say to you over and over again, how does a stock go up in price when you lose in money? It makes zero sense to me. Here we are. Let's go back to Friday. My trade Friday is right here, sitting here on my screen. I bought in. Find it. Let me try to make it smaller. Hold on a second. I bought in at 709. So my thing was on the video was about the first candle to make a new high. It popped up here. I hopped in 709. Let it ride for a minute. Bell opened. It exploded. I said I wanted to sell at 780. I remember correctly. I moved it back once or twice because it was showing weakness. Look at this line right here. This line right here is 773. Right here, this body. 773. So I saw all the momentum going up, but it kept failing. It was failing and failing. So what I did was I moved my sell order down to 771 because at this point I wanted to get out of it. Didn't trust it no more. So I moved it down to 771. It got filled. I made 62 cents per share. Next candle it popped up my high 829. So I sold it one candle too early. Next candle hit 829 and it failed. Never recovered until the end of the day. It recovered again. Then it fell, and here we are this morning. So that's my trade from Friday. I put it all in the group. I was telling you in the video what I was looking at and why I wanted to trade when I was trading. And it came out in my favor. 60 cents. Again, all trades are scalable. Could have had 130 shares. Could have had 1,300 shares. Could have had 13,000 shares. But in the small account, I couldn't buy a whole bunch of shares of a $7 stock. Remember? Now, in my other account, I think I made 50-something grand in it off the same stock. I think I bought like 5,000 shares, something like that. So, yeah. Let's start to the day. New day, new day. So, I'm not really feeling SDA. I see it popped up. Again, because one thing traded on one day, don't mean it's going to trade again on the very next day, right? You can't count that stock. Here's leading gappers right here. My laptop is updating right now, so I can't add my watch list to my laptop. But currently we have GHL, AVRO, HEPA, and SQL. HEPA is 13. SQL is, I don't trade that, but here we are. Let me add the first one up top. Market cap 124 million, but it's not trading many shares. Here's my question to you guys. Well, to myself, to research later on. This stock is up right now 115%, right? It's a $14.61 share, right? It has 124.22 million market cap, yet it's only traded 155,000 shares. How is that possible for us to move up 115% with a $15 price, we're going to say, with that little volume? The stock below it, AVRO, is 145, moved up 87%, has a 34 million share, so 34 million market cap, so that's 4 times less, right? And it's trading approximately 40 times more volume, yet it's only up 85%. Please, someone explain to me if you can. Let me go backwards. I will look at later on and see why it's doing that as I go through this. Hold on a second. As I go through this stock, check this out. GHL. My numbers ain't working right. Look at this. 5 day, 5 minute, right? So you're telling me it's been dead for eons, right? Probably longer than that. Let me go back further. Yeah. So for months and months and months, it's been this, dead pretty much. Yesterday it was 670. Friday, it closed the day at 678. Look at this number here. See this number? This green ETB. That green ETB means, we're going to say it, easy to borrow. So here's my question to you. How does it go from 678 to almost 15 bucks overnight per se, because it was Friday when it closed. Today is Monday. Comes in Monday with an ETB, easy to borrow, but it's up 114%. And here's the news right here on it. Where is the news? Where's the news? Here we are. That's that. Here we go. Acquire Mizuho to acquire Premier MA. Press relief. Purchase price of $15 per share in cash. Right? So, help me understand. A stock been dead for months, probably even a year, right? All of a sudden, someone come in and say, "Hey, we're going to buy your company for $15 a share." The same company who have did the daggone thing in months, and that ETB is already telling you tread lightly, right? So let's get out of GHL. Look over here. You see GHL there, AVRO, SQL, and HEPA, HEPA, which is the top 4 leading gappers on a day so far. Let's go to AVRO right quick. Take it off my 180-day chart, put it on my 5-day, 5-minute. We currently pulling back. It popped at 161 right here, right? We back 15 cents below that high. The question is, why did it run up so high? AVRO, today's, here we go, agreement. AVRO BIO announced its agreement to sell cystinosis gene therapy program for $87 million. All cash transaction for $87.5 million paid at closing. Is it good news? Well, here we are. 7 a.m. right here. 7 a.m. It popped up. One candle. Went from daggone 77 cents, or we're going to say 78 cents, to daggone 154 and 1 5-minute candle. It pulled back, popped the high. Now we're currently pulling back. Right? We get the news open. Next, we're going to look at HEPA is $14 a share. I don't want to buy these shares. I don't want to buy the expensive stocks in this $100 account, but if I have to, I will. HEPA. What's the news? We started way back here at 458. Surge is 10% ahead of Monday conference call. Results phase 2. Phase 2 news. Now you know by now, phase 1 is the best. Rephrase that. Phase 1 is the second best. Phase 3 is the worst. Sorry, phase 2 is the worst. Phase 3 is the best of the phases. So it's 3 phases, 1, 2, and 3. The best one is 3. The second best is 1. The third best is 2, in my opinion. So phase 2 news right here is not going to move much from what I gather, from what I previously see in history with the phase news. So we're going to skip that one too. SQL it has 4.65 million market cap and it's currently trading 451,000 shares. So SQL, again, I don't want to trade a stock less than $1, but I will sometimes. Look at this right here. Let's go to news this morning right here. SQL shares surged 61%, 54%, 54%. Pre-market trading dropped 4%. Friday, what? Yeah, okay. So right now, technically, I don't like anything to trade of my top 4 I'm looking at. However, I'm going to leave AVRO on my screen as I keep looking over to see if I can find a stock to trade. So here's my AVRO right here, and we're going to see what pops up. Yeah, right now I don't like anything. So I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna ask if y'all see anything. MBOT, I forgot about MBOT. MBOT, I'm gonna put it right here. Not trading Green Hill. It's out the question. MBOT, MBOT popped up this morning. Here we are at 8 o'clock. We're going to 4 o'clock, 8 o'clock. 5 day, 5 minute. We went 84. We pulled back. Any news? 8:30. Medical 100% success rate. Liberty says a pre-medical. So we have some news right here. It popped up on news. They go 8:30 right there. Right here should be 8:30. Yep. Popped up and it stepped the whole way. Riding the EMA the whole time. See that black line on my sheet? On my screen rather? That's my EMA. So let's go to my MBOT right quick. MBOT. Wait. AVRO. Check it out. You don't see an HTB, or you don't see an ETB, or you don't see an NTB. It's totally missing right here, right? MBOT, hard to borrow, HTB. We currently on the 1 minute chart, 1, 2, 3, third 1 minute pullback, 15-minute chart. We getting higher and higher. I like that. I like that. So I will look here for a buy target of approximately, we're gonna say the previous high, 173. That body right there, and the support point, we're gonna put it right here. So it's a wide gap. It's not much of a support or resistance point. It's moving right now. So if I trade one now, it will be MBOT. So if it pops this 174 mark right here, which is about to, what I got to trade? I don't even know. Let me see. 108. Hold on a second, y'all. It's past my point. I see it. I'm looking right at it, past my point. We're going to put 73 just because. It passed my point. Delete. I was going to buy in, but it wasn't checked. Now I'm going to hold off because it made me mad. So once it popped my point here, this line at 173, that's my buy-in point. We're right here at 171 right now. We're not far off. We got a bunch of buyers coming in. So when they come in, I'm going to hop in it. Right there. And I'm going to run it up now to about 190. I'm going to put it at $2 for now because 18 cents is 190 though, right? So that's 190. We put it at 193 for right now. So I wanted to pop this point here. I drew the line just a minute ago, right? It's hard to borrow, right? We pop this point here. We make this support. We run. And my sell point now is 192. But of course, I can always adjust it. If you look back here at the previous 180 days, 4-hour chart, you're going to see just right back here on April 17th, it was currently, well, even after that. Yeah, April 17th was at my point. So far as my 180-day 4-hour chart, we're on the second green candle. So hopefully, it will blow through my point I drew, tip this little wick right here, and blow through $2, which is what it's going to do for sure. Look right here, 1 minute chart. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, right? Look on the 15-minute chart. We're in the third 15-minute candle. So everything is telling me we're getting ready to make a move. So that is what is that? MBOT? Yeah, MBOT. Right up here up top. So I'm gonna go here and say, oh, you already said it, MBOT. 853. It's currently 912. So I just hopped in MBOT at this 173 wall. I need it to make that point support. All right. So what I'm looking to happen is, what I want to happen is, this green body of this candle make this line here support. So we got 2 minutes and a half for this candle. It comes in, hopefully it pops this point, make a support, and then we run. That's the goal. We're currently now at 174. I'm gonna say this again. I'm gonna say it always. I don't like watching my trades as far as dollar amount go because it throws me off. I'd rather watch it from right here because that way it forced me to hold it. I'm gonna log back over when it hits the 183, 184 mark, right? We're at 177 right now. I just told you I hopped in at this 173 wall, right? So I'm up 5 cents right now and climbing. Again, with this a stock this small, I want 10 cents, but I prefer 10%. My other computer is still updating, so I can't buy anything over there. It's currently off right now. It's got the Apple symbol on the screen. Let me look over here for a minute. Put it back in the 5-minute chart. I like it. I like it a lot, right? We pop this point, pop this 180 with 178, pop 180, hit the high of 184. Then my point is right here waiting, 192. See that chart, 177, the 1-minute chart? It's very bullish. We bullish. We all good. I'm going to watch it. Let me go to my chart. Trust the process, right? Let's look at time and sales right quick. A lot of buyers coming in. Good, good, good. I'm going to let it sit there while my computer upload. We got about 5 minutes left of my computer uploading. And we have 40 seconds left in this candle. So, next one coming in should be a green candle. So, stair step. This is supposed to be a high of day. Let me phrase that. A new high. But see what it did? The body here, it tipped this red candle previously. The body did. The wick is above it, which is the full movement. But the body has to be closing. It has to close above this number and then make a new high. They go 180 right there. They go 180 right there. New candle, new body. There we go. We pulling above it. We at 180. 180 still. Keep going. I let it sit there for a minute, which is cool. See this body here? It's above this wall. So I'm gonna go here. Looks like this next green candle is making that previous resistance support. Now, I was saying a minute ago, I need this green candle to open above this line and make a support, right? It did. We have 180 right now, right? So now I need another couple of strong buyers to pop in, hit my 192 point. I'll get out the way. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it until the first red candle I see. So I'm gonna keep riding the wave until the first red candle. So I gotta adjust my price, my sell target, and I will adjust it. I'm currently up right now 6 cents, 7 cents. But that 180 wall is getting kind of ain't nasty, but look, ain't no wall for real. The wall is right here. Let's just watch it. If he can pop 180, so he pop 180, next stop 190, I'm out 192, right? So let's see what we do right here. I'm just hold and watch for a minute. It's 9:16 right now. Not many stocks worth looking at for real. AVRO, Mbot's right there. Look at this though. Mbot has a 10 million market cap, 1.37 million volume, right? AVRO is basically second or close to it. But mind you this, I say again, MBOT is 3 times less the size of AVRO, and it's trading almost, well, it's trading 4 times, you're going to say, less volume, but it's also 3 times smaller, right? So not really much difference. In perspective, there's MBOT, there's AVRO. HEPA is failing terribly. SQL is failing terribly. So those two not even worth looking at for real. What's next? VECT. VECT. VECT is right there, and I can buy more shares if I needed to. See that? I got 13 bucks still. I can buy 10, 11 more shares to average down if I need to. Or if I just want to buy more shares. I might do that anyway. I might buy more shares right before the buzzer. Right before the bell, just to get more profit, right? Use the money I have, why not, right? I can go here even, and I can buy, we're going to say, I'm going to buy 5 shares right here. I'm going to buy 5 shares right here, just because. We have one, I'm going to put it right here. 5 shares there, put 5 shares there, put 5 shares there. See if it feels it. If it feels it, it do. If it don't, it don't. It might not feel it. I'm going to leave it sitting there. See how I got my point sitting there? I'm going to leave it at 5 shares right there, just in case it pulls back to this little line right here. If it doesn't, that's great. If it does, that's okay too. Let me put 3 there. Let's watch. Now, all I'm doing is putting 2 shares lower, right? In case it pulls back, I will average down. But I'm fully confident in popping this $192 mark. But I'm just putting them in here anyway, just in case it pulls back, I can average down. But I'm fully confident to pop this $2 mark. So confident, I'm going to say here, $2 is very possible before market opening. And if it doesn't, enter. Here we go. And if it doesn't hit that point, I can remove them, right? I want to get all the profit I can get off my daily trades. I don't want to leave no profit on the floor per se. My laptop is still updating. It's crazy. I'm only about halfway. Looks like the so I got one fill. It looks like, and there go 2 field. It looks like sorry, 171 average price. Didn't move much for real. Didn't move much for real. I'm just leave it there 190 for right now. Yeah, 63. Yeah. So 20 cents would be 12 bucks, right? 20 cents is 12 bucks. 10 minutes left to update my computer. Looking at it, it says about 10 minutes remaining. What happened right here? I see you, Pre. You hopped in too, player. I see you, Pre. It is now 9:22. 8 minutes to the bell. We're gonna rock and roll at the bell. What the news say right here? Let's see. MBOT 100% success rate for Liberty extensive pre-medical surgery. She's 100% Liberty. My reading skills. It's crazy, right? By Nasdaq. Market cap stands at 13 million. The company's Q1 earnings came out 3 days ago. What are earnings at? Must have missed that. What are earnings at? 3 days ago. Oh, look at this. AC59. AC Rainride. Adjust price market buy to $8 from $20. Keep buy rating. It's only 168 right now. It says a buy rate of $8. And they have some news right there. So it's telling you, hey, buy the stock, buddy. Look right here, though. Look at this. 5-8. Preparation for first human cases in Brazil, laboratory robotic system. So it took them 14 days to start this research study, and to close it. So 14 days, 2 weeks. We still at this point I bought in at, you see, 170, 171. We have 6 minutes to the bell. Good. Keep it above that point, 172. Anything pop up yet? Let's see. Not buying that. This is right on my screen. Not buying that. I'm in this 169. See what it's doing though? Watch this. A lot of heavy hitters. So again, add a 0 to these numbers. So if you see a 20, a 20, a 60, a 30, whatever, it's 300, it's 100, it's 10, whatever. Add a 0 to these numbers. Watch the buyers come in. Watch this. We have 175. Yep. 15 cents to my sell order. 176. See his number moving down there? Watch this. Boom. 178. Bust through 180. 179. Here come 180. Come on, 180. Come on through. There we go. Come on through. Oh, look at that move right there. There we go. See that bar, that candle right there? Nice. It closed above that line. Remember I said earlier? I need to close above that line. And it closed above that line. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah, move it. Yeah, move it. Move. Hit 187, didn't it? Hit 187. I want more. Let me go 193. I want more. Take the profit it gives you, right? 188. Let me tell Pre. Hey, yo, Pre. You can't hear me. Bought this 190. At 193 right now. Yeah. Pop through that point. Let's go. It's okay. Profit taking. It's okay. I ain't tripping. Let me go back over here and watch. It's going to blow through it. Watch. We're at 184 right now. Right? I can move it here too. Either line. I can move it here or on the other screen. Either or. Doesn't matter. 188. Ooh, here we go. 188. Pop through 90 right here. There we go. Look at them buyers piling in right there. Let's move a little higher. Let's move a little higher, shall we? I'll keep moving it. We got 4 minutes left on my update, my computer. Problem is, we got 3 minutes left before the market opens. 187, let's go. Pop 190, we got room to run, $2. I said $2, right? 188 again. Bust through it. Look at this. Watch this. 189. There it is. 189. Come on, 190. Come on, 190. He probably sold, didn't he? You niggas, my bad. You fools scared to hold on with me? Oh, man. Y'all fools scared to hold with me. I see you, Baines. Get your 180. What was it? You sold that? Let me see. In at 171 out of 185. Hey, man, it's 15 cents, right? 450, right? Hey, player, take your money out the way. I said $2, right? Did I say that? Here we go. I said $2 is very possible before market opening. This was at 9:20 a.m. So that was this last candle at 170. We hit 189. We pulled back. We still fighting this 186, 187 range. We have 2 minutes for the bell open. Well, actually 1 minute and 18 seconds before the bell opening. My sell order is sitting right here at what did it say? I think it's 193. I think it is. Let's see. My sell order at, man? It won't tell me. My sell order is sitting right here at 196. I'm gonna leave it here for right now. Pop through this bell. 1 minute chart. Check this out. It popped up right here, right? It got further and further away, but his body right here is not as full as it should be. However, it's getting larger and larger. The bell opens in 40 seconds. I feel strongly my sell point going to hit right at or before the bell. Let's watch. 188. Large bull candle, right? We still sitting in a large bull candle. Watch this move. About to blow through my point. We have 20 seconds left. And 168 out 186. All right, here we go. Here comes the bell in 3, 2, 1. Blow through, blow through, blow through, blow through, blow through. 91, 93, 94. Come on, let's be like that now. 196. It hit 94 and fell. Come on, what we doing over there? There we go. There we go. Blow through that point. Get me out of there at $2 almost. 80, 89, 90. 92. 92. We're going to watch it for a second because I don't want to act right. It's going to pop $2 though. It was so close to what? Look at that. It was right there. And it failed. 84. There go a red candle 1 minute chart. 15 minute be strong though, so. There go 90 coming in right here. 8 million market cap. 8 million shares traded. My computer is not open. Let me go to my fancy cell phone and make some trades. I'm gonna leave it at 93 though. It should have sold at 97. Didn't hit that point though. Where we at? AVRO. We got 90 again. There we go. We out of there. We out there, buddies. 195. And I sold at 193. Okay, here we go. So, in MBOT at, oh yeah, my bad, y'all. In MBOT at 1 171 is the average, wasn't it? Yeah, 171. Out at 193. All right, that's a trade. Hopped in right here, pulled back to my line. You saw me put some buy orders in below the current price just to bring my average down a little bit, so I can get more profit. Almost $2. High of 198 so far. Anyway, so I pulled down my daggone average price to get more profit. Got out of it. $2 is not far off. It should have hit it by now. It popped this 198 and then it dumped on us. All good. Stay green. Oh, we about to hit it. Here we go. Watch this right here. Stay green. Don't be greedy. One trade away. Blessings.